Jane Class 2. Today we will learn about nouns. This is the second chapter from English 1, and I believe you'll find this chapter very easy because we have done this chapter in Class 1 also. So this is just a revision for you all. And let us see what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. It means names of all the person, places, animals and things that are around us are called nouns. They are also called naming words. Everything around us has a name. All the people, all the animals, all the places, all the things, they have names, and those names are called nouns. For example, there are many people around us whom we identify with certain names, like mother or father or teacher or your friend. These all are the names of people. So a noun can be a name given to people. We also have special names like Sam, Joya or Neil or Rahul. These special names are also nouns. In the same manner, animals that we see around us also have names like cow, cat, dog or elephant, and some of them also have special names which we have given like Belly, Bruno, Jackie. So all these names of animals are also nouns. In the same manner, school, park, market, zoo are the names of some places around us, and they are also nouns. And things that we see around us have names too, like fan, chair, tree, car or book. All these are names of things, and thus they are also nouns. For example, in your book, few examples of nouns are given. Like the first one is John and Tom. These are the names of persons, so these are nouns. Next, tree and water. These are the names of things, so these are nouns. Another one is hospital and park. These are the names of places, so these are also nouns. Next is horse and rat. These are the names of animals, so these are also nouns. In the same manner, childhood is given as name of stage. Childhood is the name of this stage of human life. Our life is divided into different stages, and you learn about it in class 3 or class 4 in your EVS subject. So our human life is divided into different stages, and those stages also have names. Like from the day you were born to the day you were 3 years, that stage is named as infancy. From 4 years to 11 years, that stage is named as childhood, which you are in now, isn't it? And then you grow and you reach another stage which is named as adolescence, that is from 12 years to 18 years, and after that you reach another stage called adulthood, where you grow old. So all these stages also have names, and those names are also nouns. So in one word, all the naming words are nouns, all the names are nouns. So this much for today. Next week I'll be giving exercises from this chapter. I hope you understood this chapter. For any problem or any confusion, you can contact me, and till then you study everything I have given from chapter 1, and stay safe.